To set up your Raspberry Pi, you'll need an HDMI cable, a power supply, USB keyboard and mouse, and preferably a case, in addition to an SD card. The first step is to assemble your Pi. Place the Pi inside the case and attach the outer pieces. Once you're finished with that, we'll need to prepare the SD card. First step is to go to raspi.org. Once it is loaded up, click Downloads. On this page, you'll find Raspbian. Click Download Zip. Once it is downloaded, you'll need to extract it. Now click on Instructions and your operating system. For Windows, you will download Win32 Disk Imager. Once it is finished downloading, run the setup. Allow it to run. Click Next. Accept the agreement. Next. And create a desktop icon if you'd like. Now run Win32 Disk Imager. Click the folder icon to choose the image file that you extracted from the zip. Now insert your SD card and select it from the device list. Once you've done that, click Write and click Yes to continue. The process is sped up on screen. Once it is finished writing, click OK and eject the SD card. The next step is to wire up the Pi. First put the SD card in the Pi, then connect the HDMI cable to your display. Connect up a USB keyboard and mouse. And if you want internet access, you'll need an Ethernet cable. When you're ready to boot it up, plug in the power. Once you have gotten to the configuration, change the default password for the Pi. Your username is Pi and the default password is Raspberry. If you want the Pi to automatically boot up to a graphical user interface, select that from this list. For my purposes, I left it on command line so it doesn't take up any extra resources, as it will just be a server for me. Enable SSH from the configuration so you can remote into the computer. Once you've finished, select Finish and reboot the Pi. Once it is rebooted, log in with Pi and the password you just set. To remove the black borders on the screen, type sudo nano /boot raspi-config.text. Uncomment the line that says disable overscan equals 1. Hit Control X, yes, and enter. Once you've finished doing this, reboot the Pi. The Pi should now boot up and use the whole screen. To enter the graphical user interface, type Start X. The desktop environment should appear. Thanks for watching and look forward to more Raspberry Pi videos in the future.